Double! We doubled, huh?
Yeah! We doubled! Our first double!
I'm using some frozen anchovies. Double, Noah. Let's go. Let's do this. Come on.
Yeah!
Fight him. Fight him.
Fight them! I like this one.
Pretty flat. What's up, guys? Today we're going to launch from Marina Del Rey Harbor. There's a thick fog going on right now, so once we get there, we'll decide whether we're going to go or not. There's also a red tide going on right now, so we're going to go straight to one of our deeper spots to try to avoid that. Hopefully it's clear over there. We're going to go out and try to catch some dinner for tonight for the fam. So we're going to be targeting some rockfish. Hopefully we get a mixed bag full of different types of rockfish and cook some tacos up tonight. All right, guys, see you. Bye. We're gonna be using some shrimp flies. It's a pre-made double dropper loop with some feathers. Got one.
Yeah!
Good job, buddy. Reel it in, reel it in. Keep reeling. Don't give up.
Wow! Fighter.
Keep reeling, keep reeling.
He's like getting all the slack he wants, but I'm not letting him. Whew. He's wanting that.
You got a while to go.
I know. See something?
Yeah, a nice one.
Rockfish.
Nice.
Wow.
Nice
It's a
rockfish.
huge rockfish. Oh my. Someone attacked my bottom bait.
Beautiful, Noah.
Someone attacked my bottom bait.
Look at this nice rockfish Noah just caught. Beautiful.
Wow.
Wow. That's a nice one, Noah.
Yeah.
Good job.
Got something? Maybe you got something.
No, I don't think so. It just feels really weird. I can feel weird things.
It's almost done. See if we can feel it.
Oh, you had one.
Oh, a rockfish.
Didn't even feel it.
See, I told you you had one.
Here, hold that. Hold the rod.
Told ya.
You had it, not me. I said it felt weird.
That's why I felt weird.
Yeah, nice little small eater-sized rockfish.
Now I just need 2 baits. I want to see how much fish we got.
Oh yeah.
1, 2, 3.
No,
4,
I got a
5,
good one.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 fish, Dad.
No,
And that's gonna make 13.
got a good one. Whew, this is the strongest fighter of the day.
Yellowtail?
Yellowtail, I wish a yellowtail.
I see some color. I can't tell what it is.
Whoa, look at that. Huge.
Oh my! Ah, oh my! That's lucky.
Nice bucket mouth salmon grouper.
Oh my! That's probably the biggest fish on this boat. crazy.
Nice one, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. Told you. That's a nice fish right there. Biggest for the day, huh?
Yeah.
Woo!
Pound it.
Nice. We used anchovy on this one. I used a shrimp fly and put a dead anchovy on it. And that's what I used to get this guy.
Caught something?
Yeah, something a little smaller. Definitely smaller. Ah, small little rockfish. Small little starry.
Wait, Dad.
Little baby starry. Yeah.
Are baby rockfish starries?
This is a starry. Little starry.
Cute one.
At the same spot as Avy. The same spot that I took Avy. You got one, Noah?
Yeah.
Nice. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. What? Oh yeah, no, I got one too. We are 250. Keep reeling, Noah. Double. We doubled, huh?
Yeah. Double. Our first double.
I'm using some frozen anchovies. Double, Noah. Let's go. Let's do this. Come on.
Yeah.
Fight him. Fight him.
Fight them. Like this one.
Oh, oh, cool. A
Wow.
flag rockfish. Wasn't the biggest one of today, but nice eater size. Noah, reel in, Noah, reel in, Noah.
This one.
Nice flag
You're
rockfish.
not gonna win.
Come on, Noah.
My arms are already sore.
I know, we're both tired from reeling in. You're gonna have big muscles, Noah. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Reel it in, reel it in, reel it in. Reel it in, reel, 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 reel. Oh, wow, he doubled and got a nice red. Wow.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh my. Oh. Oh.
Whoa! Look at that, right? Give me a good high five. This is a good rockfish right there, buddy. That's the gold of the sea. Oh, oh, keep that in the boat.
Yeah.
Keep that in the boat. Go. All right, just put it down.
Wow.
Noah got a nice vermilion rockfish. A big red.
Wow.
Beautiful red. And he doubled. He got a nice red and then a starry also. Woo!
That looks
Wow, that's a beautiful.
Look at this.
Whew.
Slimy.
That was a nice rockfish, Noah. We have to count how many we have.
15 maybe?